Hello, students. I am Gyan from English Magus. Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to learn about determiners, an important part of your Class 10 English syllabus. By the end of this video, you'll know what determiners are, the different types of determiners, and how to use them correctly in sentences. Plus, we'll have a few exercises at the end, so stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. So, what are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of nouns to clarify what the noun refers to. In simple words, determiners help us to know if we are talking about something specific, how much or how many of something there is, or which thing we are referring to. They make the meaning of a sentence clearer. Here are some common examples of determiners. This car is fast. Some people are waiting. Each student must bring their book. Did you notice? The words this, some, and each are all determiners because they tell us more about the noun that follows. Let's know how many types of determiners are there. Now, determiners are of several types, and we'll go through each one. First type is called articles. These are the most common determiners. There are three articles, a and an, used with singular nouns that are not specific. The, used with specific nouns. Examples. I saw a dog in the park. The dog was very friendly. Second type is called demonstratives. These determiners point to specific things. They are this, that, these, those. Examples. This book is mine. Those cars are fast. Third type is possessives. Possessive determiners show ownership or possession. Some common ones are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Examples. Her idea was great. Their house is very big. Fourth type is called quantifiers. Quantifiers tell us how much or how many of something there is. Some common quantifiers are some, any, many, few, much, several. Examples. I have some friends in the city. There are many apples in the basket. Fifth type of determiners is numbers. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. are also determiners because they tell us how many. Examples. I need 3 pencils for the exam. Sixth type is distributives. Distributive determiners refer to individual members of a group. These include each, every, either, neither. Examples. Each student must submit their homework. Seventh type is called interrogatives. Interrogative determiners are used to ask questions about a noun. These are which, what, whose. Examples. Which book are you reading? Whose bag is this? Now it's your turn. Let's do some practice exercises to see if you've understood. Here is exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Take a few moments to do the exercise, and we'll discuss the answers shortly. Now pause the video to do the exercise. Here are the answers. Now, let's do another practice exercise to test your understanding. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Now, again pause the video to do the exercise. After you have done, resume the video and you will find the answers. Just see how many marks you score out of 15. How did you do? If you got most of them correct, you are on the right track. If not, don't worry, just keep practicing and you'll get better. That brings us to the end of this lesson on determiners. Remember, using the right determiner in a sentence helps clarify meaning. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful lessons. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more lessons.